final video to fix phone link clipboard not working on Windows 11, and if copy paste between your PC and phone fails. Listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where phone link does not sync clipboard content, so you cannot copy text or links between devices? This usually happens because the app cache is corrupted, background permissions are blocked, or network connection glitches prevent proper syncing. Sometimes small windows or app updates silently break clipboard sharing. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long app reinstalls, confusing permission tweaks, or risky registry edits that take forever and often fail. On Rexist, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that fixes phone link clipboard not working fast and restores smooth copy paste between your devices. This trick clears corrupted cache, refreshes app permissions, and ensures the connection works correctly. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and makes clipboard syncing seamless again. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexist always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix phone link clipboard on Windows 11 the smart way.